What's up, guys? MS1914 here, just making a little update video. Been a while since I posted a video like this, and I know I probably lost a lot of subscribers and stuff because I had to remove a ton of videos that I had due to YouTube being communist. So back, especially during the 2020 election and that fiasco, I had to remove, I don't even know, it was a whole list of videos I had to take down just so I'd be able to post again and get viewers back. And I know a lot of people probably left over that, and I'm sorry, guys, it was out of my hands. It was either just shut my whole channel down and delete it all, or get rid of the so-called violation videos, which basically all I was doing was bringing attention to the shady stuff that went on during the election. But speaking of that, I wanted to talk about this whole thing that's going on right now, guys, is insane. I mean, Colorado removing Trump from the ballot is just, that they're saying that he's guilty of election interference. Well, that is election interference. I mean, that's basically taking away your right to choose who you want. And now you got California lieutenant governor saying that he's going to try to do the same thing. And I mean, guys, we can't stand for this. Something's got to be done. And I mean, look at what, and Giuliani, they ordered him to pay like $150 million. I mean, come on. Like, it's insanity, guys. I mean, they have attacked and went after Trump's lawyers. I mean, anybody who said anything about the election in 2020, question anything, that's what they do. And that's why they do it, because they want you to be quiet. They want you, that's why they removed my videos, or penalized me and told me I had to remove them. That's why that happened, is because they want you to be quiet. They want you to give up, and they want you to just sit down and shut up, basically. And guys, we can't do that. We got to stand up for what we believe in. It's truly, right now in this day and age, if you can't see that it's good versus evil, then you are blind, because it is definitely 100% good versus evil. And we've got to stand up for our beliefs, and we can't be silenced. I mean, this is a time in history. I feel like, depending on what happens next year, is going to be a major turning point in this country, and not only in this country, but in the world, guys, because we have so much stuff going on overseas. You got all these people coming in, crossing the southern border, and those people are not Mexicans, guys. I'm telling you. You watch footage from down there, and I know people who live in Texas. You got people coming from all other countries. I mean, you've got people coming from Africa, you name it. I mean, they're coming in from China. And what's the purpose of this? And I mean, why is this happening? And they're all military-aged men, and you can't tell me that something is not going on or about to go down. So you guys, stay safe, stay vigilant. I love all you. I'm going to try to start making some more videos like this until I get shut down again. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but hope I can gain back some of the people that I lost, because like I said, I had to remove all them videos, and I couldn't even get access. I mean, of course, YouTube, they don't want to admit that they were basically censoring me, but that's exactly what was happening. So hopefully I can gain some viewers back and get this going again. And I do post a lot of the shorts, the gun videos and stuff like that, but that's just my channel's always pretty much been based on guns and stuff. But I started doing the political stuff, and it really grew. And then YouTube was like, nope, we can't have that. So now they kind of slacked off a little bit, so I'm going to try this again. But what do you guys think, man? Let me know what you think. There's a squirrel up there running around the tree. Let me know what you guys think about this. I mean, taking Trump off the ballot, all the lawsuits. I mean, they got like, what is it, something like 91 felonies they're trying to charge him with. I mean, it's insane, guys, really. I think it's going to come back to bite them. The Democrats are going to be sorry that they did this. But regardless, guys, we got to stay vigilant, like I said, and don't give up. And just pray for our country, man. We need it. And like I said, just hang in there, guys. I love you all. God bless you. God bless America. Stay safe and stay armed.